this morning. I don't know what that was, but you are always so panicked in the morning and so wild and running into me in the hallway. And it's just, you really kind of pissed me off when I probably shouldn't say that. You really kind of frustrated me when you did that.
I thought we talked about that. I thought we were cool.
Well, it's just really annoying, and you've got to calm down.
Jeez. Okay.
Hey, Molly.
Hey.
Can we talk about this morning?
Yes.
Yeah, I was feeling frustrated when we bumped into each other at the sink.
Okay.
I need you to take a breath in the morning and not feel so panicked. And maybe if you do that, then other people won't feel so panicked either. We'll both feel better.
Okay. Yeah, I can work on that. I know that I can get myself worked up in the morning, so thanks for bringing this up.
Sure, thank you. So gentle startup is a way to help solve solvable problems.
Okay.
The statement should sound something like, I feel an emotion when this thing happens, and I need, and then insert what you need.
Okay. So it might sound like thinking about this morning when I bumped into you, it might sound like I feel overwhelmed, that I'm going to be late to this session and I need help with my dishes.
Yeah, something like that is great.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Okay.